Come on, you two.
Don't be such a sissy, Sassy.
You know how to swim?
I happen to be a champion dog paddler. Banzai! Oh, that's cold. Oh, that's cold.
It's easy, Sassy.
Cold.
I prefer the dry look.
I think I shrank in there.
Please don't make that noise, Sassy. I'll come back and swim beside you.
Oh, don't bother. I'll find my own way across.
The water just gets worse further down. Where is she? Sassy!
I can't believe what they want me to do. Just so they can have the pleasure of my company.
She just doesn't want to get wet, you know. She can swim. She can.
She won't. 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 Ah, this is more like it. I'm so clever, I amaze myself.
Will you look at that?
Cats rule and dogs drool.
Jumping rocks. Typical cat move.
Good girl, Sassy. All right?
Never better. Never better. Cold, cold, cold. Oh. Ah, yes.
Well, good work.
Oh, I've just had this coat cleaned.
Sassy?
Oh, help, help.
Sassy's in the river, Chance.
Shut up. Hang on, Sassy.
Sassy, I'm sorry. Keep your head above water.
Oh, shut up. Shut up, please.
Sassy, swim! Swim hard! Sassy! Sassy!
Did you find her? Where is she?
I couldn't reach her, but we've got to keep trying. Hurry! Maybe she made it to the other side.
I don't see her, Shadow. Do you?
No, it swallowed her up.